In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy chart formatting in PowerPoint using the Format Painter tool. This handy feature is perfect when you have a beautifully designed chart in your presentation and you want to apply the same styling to another chart without having to recreate everything manually. So let's dive in and make our lives a little easier with this nifty PowerPoint trick. First things first, you'll want to open PowerPoint on your computer. If you haven't already launched the program, go ahead and do that now. Once PowerPoint is open, navigate to the specific presentation you're working on by either opening a recent file or browsing your computer to locate it. With your presentation now open, it's time to find the chart you're looking to copy the formatting from. Click on the chart to select it. You'll know it's selected when you see a bounding box surrounding the chart's edges, typically outlined with small circles or squares. This selection indicates that the chart is ready for formatting actions, marking the first step in copying its design. Next up, shift your attention to PowerPoint's ribbon at the top of your screen. Click on the Home tab and you'll find it bursting with tools and options you can use to edit your slides. Here you'll also see the Format Painter tool, which is essential for this task. It's represented by a small paintbrush icon typically found in the clipboard group on the left side of the ribbon. When you click on the Format Painter button once, it allows you to format a single object. So if you're looking to just copy the format to one additional chart, a single click will do the trick. If you want to apply the format to multiple charts, you'll need to double click the Format Painter instead. For our example today, let's assume you're just copying to one other chart, so a single click will suffice. With the Format Painter activated, your mouse cursor turns into a small paintbrush icon, signaling that it's ready to paste the selected formatting to another chart. Now scroll to find the chart you want to apply the new formatting to. Click on this second chart, and just like magic, PowerPoint will replicate the formatting from your first chart to the second one. The Format Painter saves a ton of time, especially in presentations with consistent styling needs. You can sit back and admire how seamlessly the format has been transferred, making your slides look cohesive and professional. And there you have it, a simple and efficient way to copy chart formatting in PowerPoint using Format Painter. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to experiment with different styles and charts to become even more proficient in using this tool. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial helps streamline your workflow in PowerPoint.